The conference call feature allows you to speak with more than one person at a time. To initiate a conference call from a live call, follow these steps. Press the More soft key, then press the Conference soft key. Next, use the dial pad to enter the number of the person you wish to add to the conference call. Select the Send soft key to connect to that number. Once the other party has picked up the call, press the More soft key and select the Conference soft key. This will connect both calls. While on a conference call, you can place both callers back on individual lines by splitting the call. Press the Split soft key. This will place both callers on hold. Use the line keys to select the person whom you wish to speak with. To end the call, hang up the phone or press the End Call soft key.